In this video, I'll show you how to search a specific website using Bing so you can quickly find information within one domain. Start by going to bing.com and clicking inside the search box. To limit results to a single website, use the site search operator. Type site, followed immediately by the domain name, then add a space and your search terms. There should be no space between site and the domain. For example, typing site:example.com privacy policy will show only pages about privacy policy from that specific website. You do not need to include HTTP, HTTPS or www, just use the main domain name. If you want to focus on a specific section of a site, you can include a subdomain. For example, site:blog.example.com marketing tips will show results only from the blog section of that site. You can also refine your search by putting exact phrases in quotation marks such as site:example.com annual report. If you want to exclude a word, add a minus sign directly before it, like site:example.com report, draft. After pressing enter, all results should come from the website you specified. If something looks off, double check the domain spelling and the format of site. That's it. Use site followed by a domain and your keywords to search any website directly through Bing.